I'm having a pretty good day this morning because of this article right here. I've been talking about this service for so long to everyone I know, and I'm happy I'm not the only one noticing. I've done my research, I've checked all types of services, I've tried all types of services, but what makes this one different and why it's changing the lives of so many people, it's just down to the process. From going on their website, putting in your age, your height, your activity level, and your fitness goal, and they tell you exactly what you need to eat from, how much protein, how much carbs, how much fat, and then you're able to pick out your meals for the week because the menu changes weekly. So you're always eating stuff you're interested in, and you're able to tell them what you for sure don't like, what you're allergic to. Whatever restrictions, you're able to put that on there. So you're always eating foods you're interested in, because I'm not the only one to try meal prepping themselves, and after the third day of chicken and rice, you're back in that drive-thru. And to go along with the meals, you get a 90-day training plan that's in sync with your meals. So even when you're eating, you are working towards your fitness goal. I couldn't imagine a better service. And the reason why I praise this service and talk about it so much is because last year I heard about it and didn't try it until recently. And after seeing all the progress, I always think to myself, where would I have been if I would have done it then?